Hashem here at Chabad of Malibu, dropping off some help, all kinds of food items, baby clothing, water, canned goods. We want to say thank you to Rabbi Kunin and his wife for all they do and the amazing team here, the volunteer. And I want to encourage all of you to please help us reach more donations. You can go to our website nesshatorah.org, nesshatorah.org. We're a non-profit. All the donations. Baruch Hashem, we just delivered a whole bunch of goods to Chabad of Malibu here to help feed the families. Also firemen, the gas company is helping us here across the street. All kinds of goodies, toilet papers, water, snacks, electrolyte. This is the room with all the clothing. Thank you ladies for all you do. God bless you. Thank you.